Hey guys, Blunderluck here. So today we're going to be looking at the InPods 13 Macaron edition. So this is just the broad of the InPods 13 Simple edition, because the InPods 13 normally they have four editions. They have the Macaron edition, the Simple edition, the 11, and the 11 Pro edition. So it just depends on whatever colorway you want to have, because really the InPods 13 just most of them, the sounds are exactly the same. They don't sound any different. Just the sound, just the look and the design is different. The feel of the AirPods themselves. Obviously, the InPods 13 are modeled after the AirPods Pros, while the InPods 12 are modeled after the original AirPods, or you can say they're modeled after the AirPods 2. So looking around the box, you can see we have this in the Macaron edition. We have the blue colorway, the yellow colorway, the pink colorway, and the green colorway. Looking around the box, down here we have the InPods 13. At the top, we also have the InPods 13. On the sides, we have true wireless stereo version 5.0. And on the other side is exactly the same thing, just indicating the color is yellow. So on the back, we have just a minimal design. We have a picture of the AirPods Pro, and we have InPods 13. This also connects with Android, iOS, and it's Bluetooth 5.0. So let's look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, we have the InPods 13 in the Macaron edition. I got this in the yellow colorway. So this also has all the type of colorways. So let's look at what's inside the box. So inside the box, we have a charging cable. This is a USB-A to a lightning connector. So this means this charges the lightning connector. You just connect it here and you connect this to a power outlet and it charges. So let's take this out. So we also have a user manual inside. So this shows all the versions of the InPods 13. So we have the yellow, we have a green colorway, we have a pink, and we have a light blue in the sky blue in the Macaron edition. We also have the Simple edition, the 11 and the 11 Pro. So we also have this. So this manual actually comes in both Chinese and English. So we're going to put this to the side. So let's just do a little charging test with this and see how it does. So as you guys can see, it has an indicator light here that blinks when it's charging, so you know, and when you open it, you just have an indicator light on the AirPods themselves, and the indicator light outside changes between yellow and green. So let's take out the charger. So I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna pair this up to my iPad, and we're gonna do a little sound test, and we're gonna do a little shake test as well to see if this fit in comfortably in the ears and if the sound quality is good or is any different from that of the InPods 13 Simple Edition. All right, guys. So we are done with the sound test. So the sound quality is pretty good. It's exactly the same as the InPods 13 Simple. So I'm guessing across all the InPods line, including the Pro versions, the sound quality is going to be exactly the same. There is not going to be much of any different. So just looking at this, I'm going to take this and put this in my ears now, and we're going to have a little shake test. So the feel in the ear, first of all, is incredibly comfortable. It looks really, really nice. And when you shake it, I'm shaking it right now, it doesn't have any feel of coming off at all. It fits in your ears very nicely. So it has a really comfortable and a really snug fit. I think this will be a good addition for anyone. If you don't mind the indicator lights that flash when you're not connected, then you don't have any problem. Once it's connected, actually the indicator lights go off, so you don't really have any problem with that. But when you're looking at the InPods 13 or you're looking at the InPods 12, my recommendation is you should just pick the one you like based on the colorway, because across the line, the Macaron edition, Simple edition, and the 11 Pro edition, all of them sound exactly the same. They have exactly the same build factor. The only difference is the color and the feel of the InPods 13. So if you're asking me to give a recommendation, definitely I will recommend the InPods 13 to anyone that's looking for a copy or clone of the AirPods Pros. The InPods 13 have good and amazing sound quality. They're really good. They're a really good buy for anyone that's out there. Obviously, they are not water resistant. I am not sure about dust resistant because I did a water test for the InPods 12s and those were a total fail. The InPods 12s are not waterproof, so I am guessing the InPods 13 as well are not waterproof. You can check up the video of the InPods 12s. I'm going to leave a link down below. You can see the water test for yourself and you're going to see that they're definitely not waterproof. So, but apart from all that, I would definitely recommend this for anyone that's looking for a budget earpiece. This is really a good buy for anyone. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one.